kahit hardworking or smart, so hirap pa rin sa finances. Especially yung mga kabataan natin, so puro gastos, no? So, puro bili ng mga latest na gadget, no? Mahilig sa mga uso, no? Kung anong uso ngayon, so mabilis lang silang gumastos. Then, lalo na yung mga matanda na puro ano yung trabaho, no? Trabaho, gastos. So, hanggang di mo na malayan, matanda ka na, so wala ka pa rin naipon. So, mas mahirap yun kasi wala ka ng yung nawala sa'yo yung panahon na nawala, so di na may balik, no? So, walang rewind, no, sa buhay. So, kahit teachers, no, kahit natuturo sila, pagdating sa finances, kasi dito tinuturo yung finances, no, sa school natin. Kahit ako, engineer, so 5 years ako nag-aral sa course ko. So, di ko rin natutunan, no, paano ba i-manage yung pera natin. So, kahit doctors, no, so engineers, di pa rin na di naturo sa school natin. So, many end up retiring without saving. So, kahit professional, malaki yung income, no, kahit nag-abroad, OFW. So, pag di natin alam paano i-manage yung pera natin, so, pagtanda natin, wala pa rin, kulang pa rin no, yung naipon natin. So, these people don't set out to fail. They do because they fail to plan and manage their personal finances. So, they lack financial education. So, ganun ka-importante no, yung ginagawa natin dito sa IMG. So, ito yung mga mindsets no, maling mindset no, na many people believe that financial education is only for the wealthy. So, akala natin yung financial education para lang sa mayayaman, no? So, halos ng mga yung tao, yung masa, so di sila nag-allot, no, nag-invest ng oras para matutunan yung about investment, about healthcare. So, akala nila para lang sa mayaman. So, many think that the only solution to financial challenges is to borrow money. So, kung nagkaroon ng problema, so walang ipon, so ang immediate solution usually is utang. So, utang left and right, no? So, loan doon, loan dito. So, mababaon ka talaga sa utang. Lalo kang mahirapan, no? Lalo na sa pagtanda natin. So, some say that because they are poor, they don't need to save. So, one of the greatest discoveries in the 20th century is that you can change your life by changing the way you think. So, it all starts in the mind, no? Kung ano yung laman ng utak mo. So, doon din magbabase, no, yung decision mo sa buhay. So kung mali yung mindset mo, mali yung alam mo, so mali din yung choices na pipiliin mo. So, importante kung ano yung nasa utak natin. So, kailangan baguhin natin yung mindset. So, the urgent need of financial education. So, lack of knowledge and understanding about personal finance is causing a lot of Filipinos to lose money and retire poor. So, malaking impact talaga no yung financial education sa buhay natin kasi malaki talang mawala no kung hindi tayo educated financially. So, hindi lang yung pera yung mawala, pati oras, no, na di natin babalik. So, then pagtanda natin, so mahirap na wala tayong naitabi, no. So, karamihan nag-aaway na mag-asawa, no. So, ang cause is dahil sa financial problem. So, 90% of marriages are broken because of financial problem. So, ang taas niyan, no, 90%. So, dito sa IMG, pag na-reach out natin yon mga kaibigan natin, no, kakilala, so, matutulungan natin sila, no, para ma-save yung marriage. So, we at IMG want to prevent this from happening. So, ang laki ng, yung fulfillment, no, yung ginagawa nating mission dito sa IMG kasi, Hindi lang yung buhay natin yung mabago, pati yung buhay, no, ng pamilya natin, mga kaibigan natin. So, privilege yung ginagawa natin, no, as a representative ng IMG. So, through this book, we want to educate millions of Filipinos to create wealth for their families and build a good future through financial education. So, through this book, no, marami talaga tayong matutulungan, no? So, saving the right way and there's saving the wrong way. So, karamihan, yung ano na talaga na kung pag kumita, diretso gastos talaga. So, wala talagang maiiwan. No? So, kailangan, meron pa lang saving the right way. No? So, kailangan, ibawas agad natin yung pera, no? Pay yourself first bago bayaran yung uh, mga bills natin para may matira sa atin. So, kung ano yung matira dun sa pinausas natin savings, 70%, so, doon lang talaga, hindi tayo lampas, no? So, within that means, no? 70%. So, everyone deserves to be educated, no? So, the difference between wealthy people and average people is that the former takes time to invest in knowing, in knowing how money works, no? So, yung mayaman lang talaga no, hindi sila puro tira lang tira. So, inaaral nila. So, they take time, no, to study. So, parang sharpening the saw, no? So, di pwedeng puro ka lang uh, putol ng kahoy, no? Putol-putol. So, wala kang time na uh, i-sharpen natin yung saw. So, pag sharpen natin yung saw, so, mas mabilis natin maputol yung mga kahoy. So, ganun din, pag inaaral natin, no, how money works. So, mas mapabilis natin, no, mapalaki yung wealth natin. So we believe that the poor or average person also has the right to become wealthy with the proper information and guidance. So kung ano yung ginagawa ng mayayaman, no? So kung nag-aaral sila, nag-i-invest sila, so pag ginaya natin yung ginagawa ng mayaman, so magkakaroon din tayo ng parehong results ng mayaman. So kikita sila, so kikita din kahit nagsimula ka from scratch kung inaaral natin, no? We have the proper vehicle, we have the proper information, no, through IMG. So, pwede tayong kumita kung anong kinikita ng mayayaman. So, financial education is the key to saving person's future. So, however, many think that that's only for the rich, that only they deserve financial education. So, same thing pa rin, no, na mindset pa rin ng mayaman at saka mahirap. So our mission, our journey as a financial educators started when we realized the importance of having the right financial products and solutions that we can apply in our lives, no? So kung hindi lang yung theory na pag natutunan natin, so kailangan may partners, no? So through IMG, may partnership na tayo sa mga products. So ma-execute natin agad. Hindi natin kailangan maghanap, no, sa ibang company. So parang one-stop shop na sa IMG. So pag natuto tayo, execute agad natin, no? So pag na-execute natin, so share din natin sa ibang uh, tao. So we also found out that our families and friends needed to know the same information. So hindi lang mag-end, no, sa sarili natin. So ito yung kagandahan sa IMG. So hindi lang sa sarili mo, no? So kailangan i-share din natin, no, sa mga kaibigan natin kakilala. So with proper knowledge, everyone can make the right decision. So kung tama na yung mindset mo, tama yung information, tama na yung natutunan mo, so madali na lang pumili, no? Kung alam mo yung tama mali, so madali na lang mag-decide, no? Pag alam mo yung tamang information. So take action, madali na mag-take action, then achieve the desired results. So madali na siya pag may alam ka. So pag di mo alam, so mahirap yun, no? Madali ka lang ma-scam. Kasi kung ano yung sinabi sa'yo, wala ka nang alam kung anong sinabi ng agent, so maniniwala ka agad. So unlike pag may alam ka, so hindi ka basta-basta no, mas-scam. So the secrets we learn in creating wealth for our families, we also share no, to our friends. Eventually, we realized that everyone needed to know how to save the right way. Yan, so para sa lahat talaga, no, so yun yung kagandahan ng mission natin. So hindi tayo pumipili, no, kung mayaman ba yan, mahirap, no, matanda, bata. So lahat talaga nangangailangan no, ng service natin yung financial education. So our goal is to make finance education available for everyone. So regardless of status, professional background, no? So in this book, we share with you the financial planning strategy that is simple, clear, doable, and easy to understand. So madali lang, simple lang, no? Madali lang basahin yung libro natin. So madali lang din duplicate, madali lang din gawin, no? So kahit bago ka, so madali mo lang ma-share, no? Sa pamilya mo. So we want this book's message to enable and inspire all Filipinos to become wealthy. So kailangan mag-desire talaga, magsimula sa iyo na gusto mong kumita. So di mo ma-share sa iba kung ikaw mismo no, hindi ka excited na matuto, hindi ka wala kang inspiration no na matuto. So pag excited ka matuto, so ma-share mo rin sa iba. Excited ka rin mag-share sa iba, no? So kung hindi ka natuto, kung wala ka natutunan, so mahirap mag-share sa ibang tao. So you want to make sure that no family is left behind when it comes to saving their future through financial education. So lahat talaga tayo, no? Lahat magtulong-tulong, hindi lang sarili mo lang. Kailangan tulungan natin especially yung family natin. So financial education made easy, no? There's a saying, plant what you want to harvest. If you want to harvest mangoes, plant mango trees. So if you want to harvest tomatoes, plant tomatoes. So however, if you want to harvest money, so then learn to plant money. So doon talaga magsisimula no sa uh, habang inaaral mo siya, so kumikita ka rin no, yan yung maganda sa IMG. So while we learn no how to plant money, so we also earn here in IMG. So we want to inspire to become your own financial educator. So mahirap kasi no na aasa tayo sa ibang tao. Aasa tayo sa government, no? Sa bangko, employer. So mas maganda na tayo mismo, no? So we must educate our personal finance so you can decide for yourself what you need. So mas kilala kasi natin yung sarili natin, no? So yung iba, yung agent, so nag-suggest lang sila, no? Kung ano yung mga products. So mas maganda kung tayo mismo mas alam natin yung sarili natin, mas alam natin no kung ano yung kailangan natin. So malalaman lang natin yan pag equipped tayo, no? Educated tayo through IMG. So when you equip with knowledge, so no salesman can offer you any complicated, no? Overpriced. So kung wala tayong alam, so pwede ka bentahan yan ng agent ng overpriced pala. So wala kang alam yun. Undervalued financial product. So madali ka lang maloloko, no? So ultimately, what we hope for is that through financial education, you will buy and own a product because you understand its purpose. So yun yung maganda, no? Kaya mo kinuha yung product kasi gusto mo yung purpose, no, ng product. Naintindihan natin kung anong purpose ng binili natin. Mahirap yung bili ka lang bili, di mo pala no anong purpose nun. Excuse lang ha. Continue tayo. So Bill Gates said, if you were born poor, So it's not a mistake. But if you die poor, so it's a mistake. So ano siya, no? Yung kasalanan talaga natin. So hindi naman natin mapipili, hindi naman tayo makapag-choose, no, kung sino yung parents natin. So kung pwede lang, so pipili ka ng mayaman na parents. So wala tayong choice, no, nung pinanganak tayo. So nung lumaki na tayo, so tapos na tayo ng pag-aaral, so may mga choices, no, na kailangan gawin, no. So kasalanan natin kung poor pa rin tayo, tumanda tayong mahirap. So ang haba ng panahon na during your productive years, no? So haba ng panahon. So kung problema ka sa pera, matanda ka na, so may ginawa kang may ginagawa kang mali, no? So kailangan aralin talaga natin para kung ano yung ginagawa mayaman, so yun yung gagayahin lang din natin. So dito gayahan lang talaga, no, dito sa IMG. Kung anong ang kagandahan sa IMG, kung tinuturo talaga, no, kung ano yung mga simplified na kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga mayaman. So nobody should be more interested and invested in your financial future than yourself. So responsibility talaga natin, no, na aralin. So sabi ko kanina, no, huwag nating iasa sa ibang tao. So tayo mismo, no, intention talaga natin na matuto. So financial education and discipline can help you become wealthy. You can do it, you can control and save for your future. So ito, a gift for every Filipino. So with this book, no, we want everybody to properly equip to manage money. So to the many people who want to help their own families and relatives but have no courage to talk to them so about financial education, so pwede nating i-share, no? So kung bago pa lang tayo sa IMG, so hindi pa natin kabisado, so pwedeng through this book, no, ituturo-turo mo lang mga concepts, so pwedeng natin makapag-share, no? So yung ibang relative di naniniwala sa atin, pero pag may libro, so maniniwala sila kasi dahil galing siya sa libro, hindi galing sa iyo, no? Dahil sa libro. So yung chapter 1, pag-usapan natin yung chapter 1. So getting to know the basic financial concepts. So financial concept and solution may not be the most exciting subject, no? So lalo na pag konti pa lang yung alam natin, so parang boring siya na pag-aralan, pag-usapan. So pero yung results, no? So with the discipline and patience, no, you can understand the fundamentals and appreciate the importance, no? So pagsimula, so parang sa exercise din yan, pag nagsimula ka mag-exercise, no, hindi naman siya immediate, no, yung result. So pag nag-exercise ka 1 to 3 days, hindi naman papayat ka agad. So it takes time, no, para makita mo yung results. So pag nag-exercise ka, maybe 6 weeks to 2 months, 3 months, dyan pa lalabas yung result, no? So kailangan siya ng time, hindi siya immediate yung result. So ganun din sa finances, no? Pag inaaral natin yung financial concept, so hindi siya agad pag nag-save ka ngayon, no? Pag nag-invest ka ngayon, lalaki agad yung pera mo, kikita ka agad. So syempre, it takes time, no? Para i-build yung discipline natin, consistency, so yung patience, so hindi siya mabilisan. So pag mabilisan, so scam yun. Pag after 1 month, kumita ka agad, no? So it takes time. So knowing the basic financial concepts is the beginning of building a solid financial concept. So financial independence is not only a dream. So priority talaga natin, no? So maging financially independent tayo. So take control of your future by learning how to make money, no? Save money, grow money, protect. So no one else do this for you. So kung may employer tayo ngayon, so hindi naman goal ng employer na payamanin ka eh. So pag natrabaho ka, so babayaran ka, no, exchange dun sa time, effort, no, service na ginawa mo dun sa company. So sila yung mag-dictate kung magkano yung value mo. So hindi siya uh, hindi yung value no, hindi siya yung employer mo na nag-dictate. So unlike dito sa IMG, so ikaw no kung gaano ka kasipag, no, ano yung effort na binigay mo no sa business. So mas malaki yung income no na ma-earn mo. So building blocks a strong financial foundation. So parang bahay, no? Kaya magsimula ka sa baba. So health muna, kailangan may health fund ka, life insurance, eliminate debts, no? Emergency fund, and last na yung investment. So first is kailangan ng may proper health coverage tayo. So kasi alam natin kahit isang sakit lang, no? Pwedeng ma-wipe out yung savings natin, no? Pag nagkaroon tayo ng serious health problems. So, lalo na pagtanda natin, so pwede ka mabankrupt, no? So, sabi dito, statistics shows 90% of personal bankruptcies are due to unexpected and unforeseen illness. So, maubos yung laman ng ano mo, bank account, no? Kung isang sakit lang, wala kang healthcare, so, ubos yung lifetime savings natin. And second, we must have a proper protection in the event of premature death. So, di naman natin alam kung kailan tayong kukunin no, ni Lord. So, malaking problema yan pag we die too soon. So, sino yung magpo-provide no, ng needs ng family natin. So, kailangan natin ng protection. So, instant money to pay off responsibilities and liabilities. Kung sino yung pag namatay yung breadwinner, so tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung bill, no? May babayaran pa rin tayo sa hospital, kung ano yung mga, no? So kawawa yung may iwan na sila yung magbabayad, so lalo mababaon sa utang. So kaya doon na papasok no, yung protection. So third, manage and pay off all bad debts. So, kailangan wala talaga yung mga bad debts natin. So, bad debts, yun yung mga utang no, na hindi mo mabalik sa atin. Unlike sa utang na gagamitin sa business. So, pwede siyang kumita. No? Mas, kung magkano inutang mo, kunwari umutang ka para sa cellphone, pero ginamit mo naman yung cellphone for business, so yun yung good debt. So ang iwasan natin yung mga bad debt. So fourth, set aside 3 to 6 months of your income to deal with a sudden change in the job or business. So emergency fund, no? So biglaang nawala ng trabaho, tinanggal ka, or nagkasakit, no? So meron kang mga emergency fund. So pag biglang nasiraan yung bahay mo, kailangan ng repairs, so sasakyan, so doon natin kukunin sa emergency fund. So you should consider your healthcare and protection as priority. No? Priority natin yan. So even you save 100 pesos a month, but no healthcare and life insurance will not take you far. So when you get sick, disabled, die suddenly, your savings won't last very long. So getting long-term care and life insurance are the best investment. So mayayaman talaga, so iniuna talaga nila ng yung mga healthcare, no? And protection. So importante talaga investment siya. So yung iba kasi akala nila na gastos lang yung insurance, life insurance. So ano pala, opposite pala, investment pala yun. So pag kung ano mangyari sa atin, so meron tayong makukuha. So likewise, if you experience an emergency but your money is tied up with some investments. So, kung wala kang healthcare, no, wala kang protection, so magagastos natin yung investment natin. So sayang, no, kung puro invest lang tayo. So dati nagsimula din ako, puro investment lang eh. Hindi ko alam na kailangan pala natin insurance, protection. No? So, good thing napunta ako dito sa IMG. So, if your money was tied up, then it could have been used as your emergency fund. So, worse, if you have emergency and you have no savings or emergency fund, then you may apply for, you may have to apply for this. So, utang pa rin, no? Yung talaga yung karamihan ginagawa na pag nagka-problema, utang. So, lalong mag-pile up yung problema, yung problema mo sa solution another problem. So, mababawan ka talaga sa problema. So, a strong foundation will result to having sturdy years. So, mas matibay, no? Kung matibay yung financial foundation natin, so, di mo na problemahin, no? Pag nawalan ka ng trabaho, bigla nawalan ng trabaho, no? Or katulad ng mga earthquakes, tornadoes sa bahay, so nakatayo pa rin, matibay siya. So following these building blocks of strong foundation will help you secure your financial future. So ito sa bamboo tree, no? So yung unang 5 years parang akala mo patay na yung bamboo tree. So di mo alam. So after 5 years pa lang pala biglang lalabas, no, yung bamboo tree. So in 6 weeks time, it will grow more than 90 feet. So sa first 5 years, inaano pa lang niya yung foundation, yung mga roots niya, kumakalat. So binibuild pa lang yung foundation. So pag na-build na, ready na yung bamboo tree, so after 5 years, mabibilis na lang siya lalabas. So 6 weeks time lang, it will grow more than 90 feet. So ganun din, no, sa finances natin. So habang binibuild natin, medyo mabagal, no, pagsisave, mabagal kita yung pera sa investment. So, pag consistent lang tayo sa pag-invest, no, consistent tayo sa pag-ipon, so sacrifice, kasamang sacrifice talaga. So, dadating ng panahon na bigla talagang yun yung magkaroon tayo ng breakthrough no, sa buhay. So, biglang yung mga funds natin, investment natin, so kikita pa rin ng the long run. Ang point nito is ano talaga, no, it takes time, no, hindi siya, walang biglaan, walang instant, no, na result. So IMG main product is peace of mind, no? So peace of mind. We do our business by helping people build a solid financial foundation. So pag dito weak yung foundation natin, so kakabahan tayo dito sa laki ng utang, no? May investment pero walang healthcare. So anytime ano mangyari, mahirapan yung family natin. So pero pag na-build natin ng tama yung financial foundation natin, so may peace of mind ka. Kasi kung ano mangyari sa'yo, magkasakit, dito lang natin kukunin sa health fund natin. Kung breadwinner tayo, may nangyari sa atin, so may makukuha yung family natin. So wala tayong utang, wala tayong utang na iwan sa family natin. So kung may emergency, so dito natin kukunin sa fund na to. Then pag long term naman, so investment. So kami mag-asawa, so na-build namin to. So pag may extra kaming cash, so dito namin nilagay sa investment, no? So for example, no, so may income kang 25,000 no, per month. So sa isang taon, meron kang 300,000. So sample lang to, no. So pag mapataas natin yung cash flow natin, so may at least meron kang 1.5, no, million na health fund, no. So times 5, no. So times 5 sa annual, no, income mo. So, kung life insurance, times 10, no? Na coverage. Dapat may at least 3 million ka na life insurance, no? Para mapalitan, no? Yung income mo dito times 10. So, walang utang. So, may emergency fund ka na at least 150,000, no? 3 months ng income mo, at least may 150K ka. So, investment mo, no? So, times 20. At least, dapat may 6 million kang investment. So, times 20 dito sa annual income natin. So, a solid foundation takes time to build. So, kailangan talaga ng oras. So, kailangan natin ng panahon, no, para build. So, trees don't grow big overnight, no? So, the law of the farm. So, building real wealth requires long-term discipline, no, patience. So, wala talagang shortcut sa buhay. So, kailangan dadaanan mo talaga, no, yung sacrifices, discipline araw-araw, no, patience. So, it's a long-term process, not overnight. It takes financial execution, discipline. It takes long-term relationship with IMG. So, pag natuto tayo, so execute talaga natin. So, maging coachable lang tayo, no? Sa kung anong pinapagawa ng mentor natin, no? So, follow ka lang kasi nadaanan na ng mga mentor niyan. Paano yung maganda. So, ituturo lang sa atin, no? So, susundan mo na lang. So, yun yung kagandahan dito sa IMG. So, understanding how money works. So, the wealth formula. So, kailangan, kung wala kang ipon, so di ka rin makapag-save. So, kailangan may pera, no? Kailangan ng oras, then rate of return. So, yung mga kalaban natin, no, sa wealth is yung inflation. So, every year, tumataas or nagbabago yan, no? Yung inflation, then taxes, no? So, that's equal to wealth. So, most people spend money and save what is left. No? So, usually, wala talagang matitira, no? Sa income, no? Kung spend agad, sa shopping agad, no? So, usually, wala tayong matitira. So, wealthy people save money, save muna, no? And spend what is left. So, yung mayayaman, lalo ng mga Chinese, no? So, ipon talaga sila, ipon. Then, kung ano yung matitira, doon sa, pag binawas na yung ipon, so, kung ano yung matira doon na lang ipagkasyahin, no? Hindi mo na mag-sacrifice ka muna para makapag-ipon ka talaga. So, most people consider healthcare and insurance as expense. So, yung kanina. Wealthy people consider healthcare insurance as an investment. So, most people work hard for money. No? So, tayo lang yung nagtatrabaho sa pera natin. So, di natin alam paano patrabahoin yung pera. So wealthy people let money work for them. So, alam nila, yung mga mayaman, so alam nila paano patrabahoin yung pera, no? So, may leverage sila. So, mas mabilis lumaki yung pera nila kaysa mahirap. So, comfortable na, no, sa trabaho. So, we're exchanging our time, no, effort. So, yung time natin, so binabayaran tayo ng employer. So, yung oras kasi natin limited, para 24 hours lang. So, di natin kung kahit gaano kasipag natin, so yun lang talaga yung income mo. So, di natin mahabol, no, yung income, yung ma-achieve yung goal natin ng mas mabilis kung umaasa lang tayo sa active income natin. So, the difference between wealthy and most people is the way they think about planning their future. So, the X-curve concept, no? So, simple concept siya. So, pero napaka-importante. So, makikita natin yung overview, no, ng buhay natin. So, dalawang line lang tayo. May law of decreasing responsibility line and law of building wealth. No? So, habang bata tayo, no? So, maliit lang yung income natin or savings. So, habang nagsisave tayo, no, tumataas yung wealth natin. No? So dapat pag tanda natin, so dapat malaki na yung naipon natin. So, sa responsibility line natin, bumababa din siya, no? So, opposite dun sa wealth. So, pag bata tayo, taas pa ng responsibility natin, no? So, kung bago ka lang nag-asawa, so may mga maliit pa yung anak natin, kung nag-loan ka ng utang, no, para sa bahay. So, ang taas ng responsibility, lalo ng bata ka. So, pag binabayaran natin yung utang, so nag-graduate na yung anak natin, so bumababa yung responsibility niya over time. So, more wealth, less responsibility. So, assess the scenario. No? Something happens to you unexpectedly. No? So, sa breadwinner, biglang kinuha ni Lord yung breadwinner. So, ano mangyayari, no? Leaving your spouse with 2 children to raise by himself or herself. So, ang tanong is, can your spouse support your 2 children, no? So, kapag hindi natin napaghandaan, no, mahirapan yung naiwan sa family natin, no? So, factoring the standard of living, no? May utang, may saving goals, no? So you need an instant cash of 5 million to continually take care of your family needs. So that means you need 5 million worth of protection. So with 5 million life insurance coverage, your spouse will be able to have enough cash, no? So kailangan yung naiwan, no, na spouse, so kailangan niya at least 5 million. No, so dito, pag kinuha yung breadwinner, kailangan may 5 million. So kung nakapag-ipon tayo ng 1 million, so 4 million na lang yung responsibility natin. So habang pinapataas natin yung wealth natin, nakaipon na tayo ng 3 million, so 2 million na lang yung responsibility. So mag-zero out na yan. So pag may cash na tayong 5 million, so zero na yung responsibility. So dito mas kailangan ng protection, no, na insurance kasi mataas yung responsibility. So dito, pag na-zero out na yung responsibility, so di na natin kailangan ng protection kasi may cash na tayong 5 million. So, let's apply this image to your home. So, when you buy a house, so your friend will come to your housewarming party, no? So, congratulations sa bago mong bahay, no? So, actually, so di pala, hindi pa sa'yo yung bahay, no? So, yung bangko pa yung may-ari. Kasi, inutang mo siya sa mortgage, no? So yung mortgage is responsibility. So, hindi mo pa talaga bahay yan. May asset yan ng bangko. So, until you pay it off, you don't own the home. So, assume the mortgage is 3 million for 30 years, no? So, ang bigat niyan. So, ang haba ng panahon na babayaran mo. So, most of your payments in the early years will go to interest, no? So, ang late pa lang yung puro interest pa lang yung babayaran mo sa simula. So, dahil ginagawa namin yung IMG, no? So, yung business, so, nakabili kami ng bahay, no, na cash. So, dahil sa tulong dito sa IMG. So, when you decrease your responsibility for mortgage, that means, wait na. You can focus more on other things such as college funding. So, pag nabayaran mo na yung mortgage mo, so pwede ka na mag-focus sa ibang fund, no? So, insurance, for investment, no? So, in life, two outcomes can happen. So, either we live too long or die too soon. So in the event, you should protect yourself in your family's future. No? So have high protection when you're younger. So habang bata ka pa, taas ng responsibility. So kailangan mataas yung protection, no? To take care of our children, no? College education. So kung may mga utang, mortgage, so doon kukunin, no? Doon sa protection. So there are growing number of people who have more debt as they get older. So habang tumatanda, nababaon sa utang. So kawawa na pag tumanda na malaki yung utang. So dahil hindi sila nag-invest, no, na pag-aralan, no, matutunan yung financial education natin. So instead of reducing their mortgage, many people buy bigger houses, no? So mas malaki pa yung binibili, no? So mas malaki yung ano natin, responsibility. So as a result, they have high responsibility. Therefore, high protection needs. So mas malaki ang responsibility. So kailangan mas mataas na protection. So dalawang question lang, no, kailangan natin masagot. So what if we die too soon? So sino yung mag-take care, no, ng family natin? So if we live too long, so who will take care of you, no? So ang solution natin if we die too soon is life insurance will take care of our family. If we live too long, yung investment na natin, doon natin kukunin, panggastos natin araw-araw, no? Long-term healthcare will take care of you. So, three major financial needs. So, income protection, life insurance, no? This will protect your family if you die too soon. So, life insurance can help you replace your income. So, investment, this is the answer if you live too long. So, this will generate continuing income for you when you retire. So, especially na matanda na tayo, wala na tayong trabaho, no? Or resignation na pag matanda ka na. So, saan natin kukunin yung income, no? So, doon na sa passive income, yung investments natin na tuloy-tuloy, no? Nakapasok yung pera. Yung pera na nagtatrabaho para sa atin. So, pwede ka nang pag tumanda ka, pwede ka nang mag-hire ng caregiver, no? Ma-afford mo na kasi may ipon ka na eh. So, di mo na aalalahanin kung sino mag-aalaga sa iyo, no? Pagtanda mo. So, especially pag may long-term healthcare tayo, no? So, may panggastos na tayo pag nagkasakit. So, yung government, no? Yung program, SSIS, Pag-ibig, no? So, maganda siya, pero problema siya, limited, no? Hindi naman siya makakover lahat. So, yung government programs na Philippines, so, usually ito, GSIS, no? Pag-ibig, PhilHealth. So, nakakatulong din siya pag in case na kailangan natin. So, ano ba si GSIS? So, insurance din siya and retirement for government employees. Pero, the proceeds and benefits of GSIS may not be enough. So, di pa rin enough, no? When you retire and you stop working. So, ganun din sa SSS. So, savings and pension siya. So, kulang pa rin sa Pag-ibig. So, National Savings and Housing Financing Program, no? So, limited pa rin. Ma-afford mo lang is yung low cost, no? Low cost housing only. So, ito na nagamit to, no, ng parents ko kasi para silang government employee, teacher. So, naalala ko yung bata ko, so nag-loan din yung parents ko, no, sa pag bumili ng bahay, no? So, low cost lang siya housing. So, PhilHealth, no? So, kami tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung nagbabayad, no? PhilHealth. So, nakatulong siya. Nahanap ng si Rowan. So, nagamit din, no? May bawas dun, pero hindi siya fully covered. So, may portion lang siya na mapabawas dun sa cost, no? Hindi talaga siya kulang pa rin siya, no? So maganda pa rin may sarili tayong insurance, healthcare insurance.
Bawat Pilipino dapat maging handa sa mga oras na hindi natin inaasahan. Gaya ng biglaang pagkakasakit, dapat may pondo tayo na magagamit. Sa oras ng pangangailangan, dapat may magmamalasakit. At sa pagtanda, walang pangamba, dapat may mag-aalaga. Ganyan mag-alaga ang Kaiser. Yan ang dapat. Ako po si Cheryl Posim, Alagang Kaiser. Alaga ka, kapatid.